Hello, we're Leaf Engineering. The purpose of creating this video is to introduce ourselves to you, tell you why we're the most qualified, and to introduce who would be working on which aspects of this project. My name is Stephen Duncan. This is Joseph Clark, Kenneth Clark, and Dustin Woodbury.
At Leaf Engineering, our mission is to provide the best possible solutions to our clients' projects. We do this through balancing cutting-edge technology with proven engineering design. We believe that through a strong foundation of engineering principles, we can solve any engineering problem.
We use these principles to provide you with a solution that will be innovative, cost-effective, and fundamentally sound. At the same time, it will also be ethical, sustainable, and environmentally responsible.
We have experience programming in PHP, Python, Java, JavaScript, C++, and VBA. We also have experience in hydroinformatics, in infrastructure monitoring, in hydrology, and construction. Also, we have over 22 years of education.
We now like to introduce who is working on which parts of the project.
As the team's researcher, I'm responsible for collecting the necessary data for the project. Designing a cost-effective system capable of handling a 100-year event requires a knowledge of the region's rainfall history, as well as the greater municipal stormwater system, and also the costs associated with our eventual project design. Also, having a working knowledge of concrete, I will be supporting Joseph in the structural design.
The success of a stormwater drainage system depends on accurate hydrologic modeling. Before any pipe is designed, first, the ideal locations for those pipes and the required capacities need to be determined. That requires accurate and reasonable hydrologic models. My experience as a research assistant and time working at Aquaveo makes me uniquely qualified to take the lead in creating these models that will guide the way through the rest of the design process.
I will be in charge of designing the underground pipe systems that will be used in this project. In the beginning, I'll be working very closely with Dustin and Kenneth as I design the pipes that will carry out the needed flows out of the design area. Later in the project, I'll need to be able to pass my work on to Joseph so that he can create the 3D models. I'll also be keeping track of everyone's hours and helping everyone stay on task.
My primary responsibility on this project will be creating the 3D model and plan and profile views of the final design. I'll be working closely with Stephen during the design process in order to do this. I will also be working with Dustin early in the project to gather information about the existing infrastructure. I'll also be monitoring the design process to ensure that future construction remains feasible.
We remember who we are working for, and we place the confidence and interest of our clients first. For us, this project is not just a job, but an opportunity to make something beautiful for the communities and the world around us. Thank you for your time and consideration.